talked to Thermapen. Thermapen is one of the best companies out there, but they don't sell on Amazon. And so I'm like, well, I'm not allowed to actually show your product if it's not on Amazon, sadly, with Amazon Live rules. So I started looking for an alternative. Now, obviously, this is an alternative. Thermapen is one of the best from ThermoWorks. But this has some really cool stuff, and for the price, I thought it was phenomenal. I'm going to show you exactly how it works here. Let me show you what you get in the box real quick. You get their guide, which is awesome. If you've ever wondered, and I didn't know if you knew this, but you can actually use your smart assistant to give you safe cooking temperatures as well. But this has a guide that will give you all of those safe cooking temperatures. Chicken, turkey, whole ground stuffing is 165 to 175. Pre-cooked hot dogs is 140 or more. You know, in here we've got some pork. Medium rare is going to be 135. That's pretty cool. Steaks and other ones in here, 135, 145. So again, it has all the information there, but I'll show you a trick with this one as well. It actually has it built in. So as soon as you open it, it turns on. So there's no power on off, which is really slick. So you open it up, and we're keeping it cool today. It's 68 degrees in here. It's measuring the ambient air temperature, but so I can rotate between. That looks like a chicken. That looks like, I don't know if that's like an elk, but it has it has horns. And then this one doesn't have horns, which I think is pig, but I don't know. So if you set it to those, it's actually going to set, so 145, 174 on the turkey, 174 on the chicken, and 195, which is overdone for steak, if that's what steak's supposed to be. So again, different things. I think that might actually be brisket. I've used this for brisket, and you want 195. So that's how it's pre-programmed. Now, the screen on it, I'll show you some pictures of it using it in the day. It's actually a little brighter than the GoPro shows. The studio's really bright. But again, if I just put my hand on it, you know, here, you have to open it. There it goes. About every, I think it's 6 seconds, it said that it does a sampling. You know, just putting my hand on it is raising the temperature of it. But what's cool is like the Thermapen, you get that, and you've got this probe, and you can use it. But sometimes you need it for long term, right? So it comes with a second probe. Now, what's amazing on this? The price. It's $12.99. I've wasted more than that on shipping on some stuff I needed quickly. But again, if you put this probe in here, even when it's closed, it turns on. Same exact temperature. And the one thing I really appreciated about this is when I was doing a brisket over the weekend, I checked it both with the pen and cross-checked it with this, and they were basically dead on. So that was really good, and checked it with the probes that were inside my smoker, and they were dead on as well. So from an accuracy perspective, really good, and $12.99. It's a phenomenal value, I will say. I'm going to open up the Sensora again, and I can poke it into the side there. Already 180, 183, so we're definitely good. You guys can see that. Again, do this, poke it into the thickest part, and right up against the bone even is where it's going to be coldest. So 176, oh, it's getting there. The flats on the wings are definitely going to be over the 180 mark. Oh, 200 in the flats. Now what's funny about this too, and I don't want to scratch my fridge, but it's magnetic. So in this case, you know, I can stick it on there. If I come back over here to Amazon, the easiest way to find this, again, go to my Amazon page, go to the Tech on Tuesday 13, and you can go right here and see the Sensora. Again, great little device. I was looking for something that was comparable. It's got a good Amazon rating of 4.6 out of 5. So solid for a less than $15 instant read with an additional probe. Very, very good deal.